Delicious blueberry oatmeal coffee cake recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a mouthwatering treat for you, a delectable blueberry oatmeal coffee cake. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even as a delightful dessert. So, let's get started. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tiny.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Ingredients. For the cake. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup rolled oats. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup plain yogurt, Greek yogurt works too. 1½ cups fresh blueberries. For the streusel topping. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup rolled oats. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, cold and cubed. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions. Preheat the oven and prepare the pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch round or square baking pan and set it aside. Mix the dry ingredients. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, rolled oats, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and ground cinnamon until well combined. Cream the butter and sugar. In a large mixing bowl, cream the softened butter and granulated sugar together until light and fluffy. Add eggs and vanilla. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, and then add the vanilla extract. Mix well. Incorporate dry ingredients and yogurt. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, alternating with the plain yogurt. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Avoid overmixing. Fold in the blueberries. Gently fold the fresh blueberries into the batter until evenly distributed. Prepare the streusel topping. In a small bowl, combine the flour, rolled oats, brown sugar, cold cubed butter, and ground cinnamon. Use a fork or your fingertips to mix everything until crumbly. Assemble the cake. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan and spread it evenly. Sprinkle the streusel topping generously over the batter. Bake the cake. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 40–45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool and serve. Once the cake is baked, Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice the blueberry oatmeal coffee cake, serve, and enjoy. There you have it, a delightful blueberry oatmeal coffee cake that's sure to become a family favorite. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking!
Introducing the Ho Ho Holy Shit I'm Drunk mug, a hilarious addition to your holiday festivities. With its eye-catching silver snowflake design and playful, Ho Ho Holy Shit I'm Drunk slogan, this mug is sure to be a conversation starter at any party. Sip your favorite hot beverage or indulge in a festive cocktail while enjoying the festive wine goblets and light bulbs adorning the mug. Get ready to spread some holiday cheer and laughter with this must-have holiday mug.